If you're interested in old tools, this would be the place you want to go. There are multiple meetings like this, or tool sale meetings. So this one is Florida, a local one. It's not as big, but it has a lot of interesting tools. As you can see, each table has a few interesting tools. There's a huge chisel. Well, actually, it's a slick. Very heavy. Huge saw. a lot of different planes. So a lot of, again, more stuff, even more stuff that we can find here. Oh man. Like, it's basically a heaven for people who wants to get a lot of old tools. Just a lot. Let me do it a little bit systematically. So, and we'll just count a little bit tables. Okay, first table, second table. Oops. That would be third. And just go quickly over each table and see what's interesting is in there. I like this saw. And there's two other saws in the background. More chisels. Many more saws. A little bit of these. And this would be the wooden plane heaven, but we'll get there in a second. I still need to get some framing. Ooh! That's what I was looking for, I think. Nice saw. A lot of planes. Fence. A lot of planes. Okay, so somehow that's it. So all the tools for this year, it would be this area, but still a lot of tables. We'll see. Oh, there's also here. And under the tables.
Those guys, like your uncle, they were skilled craftsmen. And they had to know how to make it oversized where it would shrink. Pick up those pattern makers. Thinking it's a real one, and it's oh, sorry, buddy, your measurements are off.
Jointer. Blades, anybody? Yep. Reasonable prices and stuff. Oh, anybody interested in Gramercy? Oh, not Gramercy, but holdfasts. There are a bunch of them. Ooh, that's my favorite saw. The one I have at home. That's perfect. Really perfect. I don't know what it's for, but it's useful. Draw knives, more planes, more draw knives. Prices vary. So this knife, ooh, 125. 65. That's nice. That's a slick. Oh man. Oh man. Nice dovetail. Oops. I like this one. I have a longer version of this. And this one, again, this is for...
How you doing today?
Pretty good, pretty good. I may need to get one. I need for smaller teeth. Oh, I'll look for that one. More planes, more tools, a lot of tools. Parts, tools and parts. More tools and more parts. Oh, structures. I guess overs by the pound. Why are you doing that to me? Nice hammers. Tons of different hammers. I would actually need to get one for framing. Oh man, oh man, oh man. So many. So many. I've already forgot what I've been here. But checking again. Bullets. Anybody? So much good stuff. No, that's the side I already semi-walked, but it's cool stuff. Oh, that's a sharpener. Scissor sharpener. Hand tools with a little bit of motor. That's a good stuff. I think it's a good stuff. Okay, I'll get back to this side later. Bunch of planes, scales, tiny jigsaw. Sauce. Okay, so this is a tons of sauce if you want to get one. And fair prices. For $12 if it's straight. Not that I need one. $5.50.
Okay, this is Dora.
This is good stuff. Really good stuff. $5.50. I'm making back to this. Framing squares.
See if there's one.
Oh man, I just got the aluminum one. This one's much heavier. Oops. Stanley in the box. $2.50. $2.50. And I think that was the last. Yeah, this is not released, but let us fix this guys. More tools. More tools. And more tools. Huh? I saw this guy. Kind of fair prices. Rasps. So I'm not sure this is not for the horse.
And then we got caught and we got to remit the money and see if we
What?
get money.
This is interesting. I don't know what is this one. Tiny planes. Stanley number 2. Only 175. Wow.
But what I'm saying is this, so many interests off just like money. National, and see, there's only
I don't even know what it is.
but there's only so many areas. I think there's only 13 areas.
It's a scraper, but it's interesting scraper.
We're going to put the bill $1,000 for t-shirts.
Yeah, this is so interesting. I think this is... Okay, this should be a level. All stair level. Hammers, planes, and pole tests, and tons of good stuff. Fences, scope shapes, hammock handles, various handles, tons of stuff, tons of good stuff. And that's pretty cool. There's a lot of cool stuff. Oh. I think at the end. Ah, this is so cool. And there's more stuff here. Whew. I mean, if you're in the area, stop by. Or be on the lookout to stop by next time. They have these meetings, I mean, this specific meeting happens every year around this time. But there are more national meets, so you check MWTCA, join the club or association, and you'll get invited to these meetings. And there are bigger meetings and probably closer to your area. So,